Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make logo design using stock elements. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. I download this elements from Google, but don't worry, I give a link in description. Here you go and download that. I'm using fonts and stock elements. Make a line with pen tool and convert into stroke and increase stroke size. Now make a circle as same stroke size with ellipse tool. Adjust it with line and delete one side. Make a copy and change the angle of second shape. Join both lines. Select width number 1 and increase stroke size, then expand it. Go to Pathfinder and unite. Make a copy with it and reflect it vertically. Now put elements and align and resize. Give it same color. Put text in it. I'm using Quicksand and Riesling fonts. Make a back cover with rectangle tool. Drop shadow in it. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.